Alright guys, Model Rockets 321 here. We are back for a Christmas special. If you're new to the channel, go on subscribe, hit the thumb up button, do all that stuff, check the links below. If you've been watching previous videos, you know I had the Astron Omega crash, but we are all rebuilt. Got onboard video, we're going to be running altimeter. So we're going to be doing this again. Subscribe to the channel. We are going on a D12.0, which is verified in the booster. And we have a C11.5 in the sustainer. And we are going right now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go, he's staged. C11.5, you got the boosters coming down, 5-second delay, and we got parachute. There we go. I see the parachute is out. Boosters just land behind me. Heading over towards the sun, as usual. It's like every time, might get a little sun activity. But yeah, I see it's all together, so. Oh yeah, it is gonna be right in the sun at some point. Wow, it's way out there too, so. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, we definitely, we're directly in the sun. When I get below the sun, I'll be able to get a little closer. But yeah, stage, that is the repairs. That is the repairs of the Omega. Coming down, touching down any moment, right over there. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing it, but he just touched down. Yeah, directly in the sun. So, missed a lot of it. I mean, I saw it, but I think in the camera it was pretty much all just too bright. So we'll go over there and check it out. Astron Omega. All right, as I approach the Astron Omega 2, not necessarily a 2, just a repair camera. We had onboard video, and we should have some altimeter readings. So this was the big flight I wanted to do. I've been waiting to get a redemption on this one because I had that crash. Be sure to enjoy the film. Check out the film. Cheap short film, you know, showing the whole process of the Astron Omega leading up to that crash. So, but yeah, love this rocket. Glad we're all good. We have an altimeter in there. I'm gonna do a quick reading on that. The boosters came down over here. We're gonna retrieve those. So I'm glad. Can't wait to see this onboard footage. So it's my Rocks 321. Subscribe to the channel. And here, as we approach the booster, D12.0 in the bottom, as supposed to be. Yeah, so pretty nice. So it's all back and intact. The Astron Omega lives on. One of the great rockets of all time. So let's check it out. My Rocks 321. Stay tuned. Happy holidays. All right, guys. So here we have an altimeter reading. I had to mess with this rocket a lot. I thought the reading was going to be a little off, but I'm guessing this is right. I think I saw it earlier on here when I was scrolling through. It said 780 feet. So that was from a D12.0 to a C11.5. So look at that, negative 5 seconds at apogee ejection. So yeah, that's pretty accurate. Yeah, ejection was 137 feet. I guess that was when the boosters kicked off his sense. And here I'm seeing his descent rate of 1 mile per hour. Or yeah, it seemed kind of weird. Now I was thinking it was definitely higher than 700. Should be coming up right now. Well, it's going to restart right now. Let's see. I did guess this is a brand new one. 780 feet. Yeah, altitude 780 feet. So that's the reading. But yeah, so that's there you have it. There you have it. Model Rocks 321. Let's get to another one. Let's get to another one. All right, guys. As we continue this special Christmas Day launch video, we're going to be taking up or sending up the Silver Comet. It's a rocket from the mid 90s. Yeah, I think these came out like 97 or 98 when these came out. Kind of fun. They're fun to drag race. I remember drag racing these at the at my Jersey club. So they're fun. This is going to be going up on a D12.3. Here we go. We got the Silver Comet going up on a D12.3. Hopefully the sun, we don't go directly into the sun like last time. And we are going in 3, 2, 1. There we go. And the Silver Comet parachute is out. We got a singe, or look like something's happening with it. Look like something's happening with him. Let's see what we got. Oh, I don't know. The way it says singe maybe. Coming down kind of fast. Yeah, coming down pretty much right back at the pad. I think I got a singe parachute. I checked and double checked that thing. Watch out, Marcy, don't get hit in your head. It is right at the pad, right to me, pretty much. Oh, I missed the catch. I mean, I'm like right there. It's right here at the pad. I see you jumped. Marcy jumped up out the way. Yeah, I was like, don't get hit in your head. You weren't looking. You gotta keep your eye on these things. But anyway, was that a singe or just a tangle? What's going on? Anyway, guys, happy Christmas. Merry Christmas. Hopefully you got some good toys, like a racetrack, PayKUT racetrack, cliffhanger. And one go up the wall. Hopefully you got a new bike. And hopefully you got some rockets. Hopefully you got some rockets. I didn't ask for any rockets this year. I pretty much got all the rockets I kind of need. So, but yeah, there's the Silver Comet. Real good rocket, fun to fly. If you can get one of these are fun. These are fun. But yeah, pretty much right at the pad. The parachute's not singed. I guess it was just like a little tangle of some sort. You know, it's always weird. But that's it. Smile Rock 321, and let's continue. All right, so we're gonna end the day with the Dolphin. Going to be going on an E12-4. This is my scratch-built scale model of the French-sounding rocket across the pond in the European nation. They could have flown these out of South America, I believe. Maybe out of Brazil, I think. But they could have been flying out of France. I can't remember. But anyway, we're going to be going on an E12-4 for this closing of this Christmas special. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. So we're going to get this guy going, and we're going. And model rockets 3, 2, 1. There he is, roaring into the sky. 4-second delay, parachute out. Nice. Nice flight. Let's go and see if I can find him. There he is. Coming down. This one always performs well. Gonna take his nice time. All those scale models usually do pretty good. Check them out as he drifts. Drifting on down. Deep blue sky. The Dolphin. Nice day, pretty much no wind, very little. It's like, I think it said 4-mile-an-hour wind. But pretty much right back at the pad. I mean, very close. And it stuck the landing. Stuck the landing. Happy Christmas, or Merry Christmas. Stuck the landing, check that out. The Dolphin on the last flight of the day landed on his fins. These have had broken fins before, but how cool is that? All right, guys, this is Model Rocks 321. Be sure to support the channel any way you can. Check the links below, support the movie. Check out the zine, my art, all those drawings, little collection of motivational drawings or quotes attached to some sci-fi drawings. Go on, support any way you can. It's Model Rocks 321. Also use my Estes discount, IN_321. Put that in, and yeah, that's how we're gonna close this day out, y'all. And we out. Have a great Christmas. All right, guys. So I just had a thought. I was gonna look for the piece from my last video, the Little Joe 1. The arrow spike had broke, and I was gonna make a new one. I didn't get around to making a new one yet, but it is right pretty much next to my Dolphin. It landed right here. This was the broken piece. You can see where it broke off. Found it today. What kind of luck is that? I will take it. I will take it. So now I just gotta go reattach this. Probably have to drill down in there a little bit, but I found it. The arrow spike from my Little Joe, Murky Little Joe 1. So how cool is that? Guys, subscribe to the channel now. If you ain't subscribed yet, go on subscribe now. Smile Rock 321, and we are out. Stay tuned for the debrief. And here it is, the Astron Omega, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this is gonna be my worst crash ever. Ooh! Stage pointing straight down. That is serious. What could have went wrong? There's the board. Wow. Wow, total destruction. So I've been into the hobby, into model rocketry for many years now. I started when I was 9 years old, building and flying in New Jersey. Staging is one of the fascinating things in the hobby. I just like to know, like in the history, how that come about. I never really heard a story on how that came about, just to figure out that you could stack, two motors, and this bottom motor ignite that other one, and pop these fins off and go higher. I guess it's all physics at the end of the day, but it's just a great thing to fly two-stage rockets. But the Astron Omega has a deep story with me, and it's a good one. All right, it is debriefing time. Today you saw 3 flights for this Christmas Day special. Thanks for tuning in. As stated before, drop a comment, hit the thumb up button, share the video around, get involved with the hobby as you please. There are plenty of kits and stuff available for you to get started with. Yeah. Also, if you want to get started with Estes stuff, use my discount code IN_321. Go ahead, go to Estes, put stuff in your cart. Drop that code in to help me out and help yourself out. Get that discount and go on and order some rocket stuff, motors, kits, starter sets, everything. They got a lot of stuff for you now. But anyway, today's flights were pretty fun. It was a good day. Had a little trouble at first getting this one off the ground. Had a couple misfires, not sure why. I definitely got to charge those batteries, the Omega. And what made the day was special was that this Omega had its rebuild. If you saw that crash, it destroyed from probably here on up. So all this is all new. I kept everything else the same down below. And today I even flew onboard video. I used the Estes Astro Cam, which you can get one of them. Estes actually sell these right now. Simple, super easy to use. You mount it to the side in that little dock right there. Press and hold 2 seconds to turn it on. Next time you press it, will start recording. Strap the rubber band around this top piece and you will get onboard footage like you saw today. Inside I also ran the altimeter, which you see it tapped out around 780 feet, would make sense. D12.0 at the bottom, C1112 in the sustainer. So that's about right, 700 something feet. But D12.7 would have pushed it way up there even higher. But just wanted to do that just so I could see everything happening for this return flight. So today was a pretty good day. All the flights were pretty nice. After that, I flew the Silver Comet, which the parachute had a little tingle of sorts, so it came down kind of fast and kind of crazy, but overall, pretty good flight. Pretty good flight on a D12-3, classic Estes rocket. This might be a nice bring back. They could probably bring this one back for some success. So pretty fun if you like old school sci-fi, futuristic kind of rockets, or vintage sci-fi, I'll call it. So yeah, it was a pretty good flight on the Silver Comet. And last but not least was the Dolphin, which is this French sounding rocket, my old scratch build, one from many years ago. Great rocket, super stable, always performs well. Had a few cracked fins. It had its issues over the years. I think I've shown these before. These fins here got cracked. Then that got a crack there. Just repaired it. And it's a flyer. It's one of my favorite scale models to fly. Easy to see in the sky. Nice big parachute, brings it home real gentle. And you cannot complain about the Dolphin. So that was today's flights, guys. Today was an amazing day to be flying. A nice Christmas video for you guys if you're home, enjoying your toys and your family and everything. Hopefully you've made some time and that you are watching this video right now. And here's the Astro Cam box. I had to pull this out of the box. I had it for a while. I had one. I lost one at the old launch site long time ago. Got lost. I put it in. I didn't put the top rubber band in that you see right there. And then rocket came down. The camera was gone. Searched for it. Did not find it. But today, speaking of finding things, let me bring this rocket up. at a previous launch, this is my scratch-built Mercury Lojo 1 that I like so much. Today, and on the last flights, one of those flights, I had lost the arrow spike that go right in the top of there. But today, I found it. I knew the area, and when I was looking at that video, I saw it on the ground. And I just didn't look and think to go back and search that day. I did a quick search, but I didn't see it. But today, I actually found the arrow spike that goes in top of the Mercury capsule. So it goes right in the top of there, right in the top of there. This will be either glued in, or I may have to try to find a way to get it so it has its same height. I know I can drill that out, and it'll be a little bit shorter, which, I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna do this. So I could do a little pin method where I can put a hole, put a pin in here, and then glue it like that with a little bit of epoxy or something. But yeah, so I found that. That was pretty cool to find. It was right as the dolphin. I was looking around. I was ready to pack this one up, and I saw it. I saw that red sitting in the gravel. So that worked out perfect. So yeah, guys, today was a great flight. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that stuff. Get on over to Estes, drop the discount code in, get yourself Astron. Super easy to work. Comes with, I like that it actually comes with an SD card. It's in the slot right there. It comes with everything you need. The little strapping piece to go around the body. Cool, cool, cool. So yeah, that is today's videos, guys. Thanks for checking everything out. Thanks for supporting the channel. Share the videos around, no problem. And yeah, we'll see you on another one. The Astron Omega made its return in fine fashion. It's back. Model Rock 321, and I am out. Happy holidays.
All right, here we go. Got the Astron Omega. Going a D12.0 to a C11.5, and we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.